Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to fix Fortnite not launching on PC. Make sure to watch until the end of the video. So first is that you need to open Epic Games Launcher and click on the three dots here on Fortnite and click on Manage and then click this folder here. Now you go to Fortnite game, binaries, Win64, easy anti-cheat. So for this one, easy anti-cheat, you just have to click that one. If nothing happens when you click that one, you just have to right click it, um, show more options, and then you need to send it to the desktop. So just click send to and click desktop right here. Now from here, you're gonna have to copy that shortcut that you just moved to the desktop and drag it onto the same folder and just click on continue. And from here, you're gonna have to right click this, show more options and properties. And from here, you're gonna have to add the word repair. All right, and just click on OK. And after that, should open the icon, and Fortnite should be good. But if it doesn't work, then what you can do is you can go back to Fortnite game here, binaries Win64, and go down. Now you can see here Win64 shipping application. So just right click that, go to properties, compatibility, and make sure that you run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, and make sure to check these two boxes right here and click on OK. And that's how easy it is, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you all in the next video.